wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best outdoor games for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Regular badminton can be a challenge for young kids, causing them to abandon it if they get too frustrated with the difficulty. Luckily, this VR Goodminton is an easier version of this classic racket sport. The package includes 2 paddles plus fast and slow birdies. It's a little investment for hours of play. However, this one's not ideal for children under 8, and mesh nets are sold separately. At number 9, the Force One UFO 3000 drone quadcopter is specifically designed for novice flyers, making it a great beginner model for anyone interested in learning to pilot. You can use it in low or high speed and even practice during night hours, thanks to included LEDs. Its lightweight frame is easy to fly, but you get only 20 minutes of airtime, and battery recharging can delay the play. Coming in at number 8 on our list. You don't need a standard court to play this classic game with the Hey Play Bocce Ball set. All the necessary parts come packaged in a convenient carrying case, so transport to any turf is hassle-free. This is a great activity for rallying together different age groups. It includes a durable bag with comfortable straps and crack and damage-resistant balls. However, it may be too hard for the very young. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor games for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Yard Games Giant Tumbling Timbers includes 56 solid wooden pieces that measure 2.5 feet tall when stacked at the start. Playing grows the blocks over 5 feet, and the set even comes with bonus blocks for added height. Note though that adult supervision may be required. The hand-sanded wood is smooth to the touch, and it includes a heavy-duty carrying case, but the wood can splinter over time. Moving up our list to number 6. Toddlers love to be active, which is why the EOQ Sun tent with tunnel is a backyard hit. It has 3 different play stations, including a welcome window that opens and closes, a crawling section, and an open area that doubles as a ball pit. 2 color styles are available. The non-toxic fabric is easy to wash, and the pop-up sections tie together. However, note that balls for the pit are not included. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Elite Sports Equipment Junior Beanbag Toss is available in basketball, football, or Christmas themes, and all versions include a reversible board that flips over to reveal tic-tac-toe. Plus, at only 20 inches by 11.5 inches, you can also use it indoors on a rainy day. It's easy to set up and break down, and is a budget-friendly option, but it lacks a storage container. At number 4, this Midway Monsters Bri Belly Reversible Rug gives you 3 classic games for the price of 1. The larger scale playing mat is reversible, so you can play checkers, tic-tac-toe, or mega tic-tac-toe. Take this to the beach, on camping trips, or just roll it out on your floor. The playing rug is machine washable, and the pieces are strong with a nice grip. However, the mat may have an odor upon opening. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. This Capture the Flag Redux glows in the dark for epic nighttime fun. It's a team-based sport that's great for birthday parties, camping trips, block activities, and more. The company even includes instructions for additional game variations to keep the novelty alive. All 33 game pieces light up, and batteries are provided with your purchase. It's suitable for large or small groups. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor games for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Elite Sports Equipment Hand Toss game will get the whole family playing in the yard. This activity promotes teamwork, encourages concentration, and builds hand-eye coordination. Each set features 5 rope rings, a wooden base, and easy-to-screw-in peg markers. A fabric bag makes transport easy and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It includes bonus plastic rings. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the A Great Life Huge Rainbow Kite is made especially for beginner flyers, featuring a kid-friendly handle and a design that can be launched for flight even in a light wind. This toy is easy to manipulate but still teaches children coordination and critical thinking skills. It requires only minimal assembly and is made from durable materials. It's a gender-neutral option for all ages. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Outdoor Games for Kids, or simply click beneath this video.